Today, I am reviewing the Canon RF 35mm F1.8 Macro STM lens. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are an EOS R series camera user looking for that one versatile, lightweight lens that can stay on your camera body 90% of the time, the Canon RF 35mm F1.8 Macro STM lens is an absolute masterpiece. For years, 35mm lenses have been the gold standard for street photography, environmental portraiture, and everyday documentation, but Canon has managed to elevate this classic focal length by packing it full of modern, high-tier features at a price point that makes it accessible to everyone from hobbyists to professionals. This is not just a standard prime lens. It is an incredibly capable tool that completely transforms how you approach close-up photography and low-light shooting. The first thing that absolutely blows you away when you start shooting with this lens is its close focusing capabilities. It features a macro designation with a 0.5 times magnification ratio and a minimum focusing distance of just over half a foot. What this means in practice is that you can get incredibly close to your subject. You can capture the fine textures of a flower petal, the intricate details of a watch dial, or the steam rising off a hot cup of coffee, all while maintaining the beautiful, natural perspective that a 35mm focal length provides. It bridges the gap between everyday snapshot photography and dedicated macro work seamlessly, giving you two distinct shooting styles wrapped up in a single, compact barrel. When it comes to low-light performance, the bright f1.8 maximum aperture is nothing short of fantastic. Combined with the lens's optical image stabilization, which offers up to 5 stops of shake correction, this lens becomes an absolute low-light weapon. You can confidently walk out into the city at night or shoot inside a dimly lit room without a tripod, knowing you can drop your shutter speed down significantly and still pull off razor-sharp images. The background separation you get at f1.8 is gorgeous, creating a smooth, creamy bokeh that makes your subject pop beautifully from the background, which is especially stunning when you're using that close macro focusing distance. Physically, the lens is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it the perfect choice for travel or everyday walk-around shooting. It balances beautifully on any EOS R body, from the smaller entry-level models to the heavier professional lines. A standout design feature on the barrel is the dedicated control ring. This ring allows you to make direct setting changes right from the lens itself, such as adjusting your ISO, exposure compensation, or aperture value with a simple twist. It adds a level of tactile efficiency that speeds up your workflow tremendously once you customize it to your liking. Under the hood, the lens utilizes a 12-pin communication system that allows for lightning-fast data transfer between the glass and the camera body. This translates to incredibly snappy autofocus and seamless coordination with the camera's internal correction profiles. The STM stepping motor handles the autofocus duties quietly and smoothly. While it is fast enough to capture sudden moments on the street, the smoothness of the focus pulls makes it an excellent choice for videographers and content creators who rely on reliable tracking without jarring jumps. Every piece of glass has its own character, and this RF 35mm delivers a beautifully sharp image across the frame with contrast and color rendering that feels premium and lifelike. Canon has truly created a jack-of-all-trades prime lens here. It takes the beloved, storytelling perspective of a 35mm view and supercharges it with incredible macro performance, powerful image stabilization, and an ultra-portable design. Whether you are capturing wide street scenes, intimate portraits, detailed macro shots, or late-night video footage, this lens handles it all with absolute ease, making it an essential and incredibly rewarding addition to any photographer's gear bag.